K-Wing locker room, and Nick, the holiday break, not exactly what you wanted underneath your tree. 4-3 finish here, but let's talk about determination for this Kalamazoo Wing team. You look at it, depleted numbers, and you can see the frustration starting to set in. Kyle Page leaves the game with an injury. Matt Jens can now add him in, and John Armstrong to guys that he's kind of put on the shelf. But you talk about that almost as a wake-up call tonight. Kalamazoo battles back in the third, couple quick goals, but just not enough.
I mean, it's going to sound like I'm giving them an excuse, but at the same time, this team, we have 3 or 4 guys that probably shouldn't have played. Harry Young played 2 shifts tonight. He's not even close to being ready to go. The list goes on and on. Fatorik played battling through being hurt. Lysak, Versti, Carlander. I mean, I'm not making this stuff up. And for us to battle and not show any quit and try to find a way to get ourselves back into this game, one mistake too many, and that cost us again here tonight.
You guys go 0 for 6 on the power play. They go 1 for 2. That really comes to the difference. But you really, outside of the first period, had nothing that resembled a power play unit. So was it the injuries, or was it trying to set a message that Adam Polasek plays up front on a power play?
You know what, we're just trying to simplify things. We thought maybe putting a big body in front of the net and creating some traffic and some havoc in front might work out, and we put him up there to try, and Millet's been playing real well the last 2 games too. It's the first time we're starting to see what he's made of, and obviously him scoring his first goal was nice to see.
Come back now, we talk about some of the nagging injuries, nothing that's really going to be permanent. You look at the timing of the holiday break, it may not be necessarily a bad thing.
Well, that's right. I mean, we get an extra 4 or 5 days here to try and recover. Obviously, it is a business, but at the same point, it's going to be nice to spend some time with my family, just like these players are going to be nice to get home and see their families, enjoy that time the best we can, and then focus and get back to work and trying to turn this thing around.
Kalamazoo back home on Friday. That's the next time we'll talk to Nick Boulin.
Thanks.